So we got our dash panel completely off, which shows us even more that this car originally was gold. So much fun battling this. Need to get in here and get the instrument cluster out the rest of the way. Pull that out, undo all the electrical. And then we can work on our dash pad and our upholstery. I did pull down the column just a little bit to get it free. Oh, there's going to be a lot of cleaning involved in this one. All because someone didn't want to do it right the first time. Alright, we finally got the cluster out. It's definitely a mess after some people whom I don't even know and don't want to know, frankly, did this shit job in here. But I fought the cluster out and undo the rest of the wiring, get the cluster pulled, and then you can set everything over here on the floor and start cleaning. Put the blanket down and clean everything. Oh God, I've already got 3 hours into this already today. Thunderbird hell. So this car had a one of those stupid plastic dash covers, and they ended up cutting off the factory pad to fit it. So now it's the whole discover how much mess is behind the dash, which isn't bad. It's just not wired right. Just not routed correctly. So it's literally taken me 3 hours to drop this panel and undo the cluster. And it is a cluster, literally and figuratively. Yeah. Now this car, there's a lot of other stuff too, but I can tell you a story next time I see you. It gets pretty wild. Well, it's finally out, thankfully. And now that it's out, it's done. I can get all the hardware and everything out of our mess, and we can vacuum and clean all of this disaster. And then can finish pulling this mess off of here and start getting ready for the new one. We will need some new vents, ducts for sure, and the insulation. Alright, we've got all our hardware cleaned out of the mess. Going to vacuum here in a little bit. First things first, I want to get the rest of this insulation and crud all out of the actual dash panel. Get it nice and clean and ready to go. Back on Geoff and Kent T-Bird. Yucky. Yucky. Lots of yucky old insulation. I'm trying to get the instrument cluster out so I can pull the main dash, so I can finish removing the old dash pad so we can install the new dash pad. Needless to say, this is an exercise in patience and or my sanity at this point. But we are getting there. As frustrating as it may be, we are getting there.